I've been thinking about making a guitar now for 30 odd years, in fact probably longer than that, which is why I have my little snail logo to indicate just how slowly
I've... logo before the guitar?
Well, almost. But there were several parts of the process that had always put me off. I just couldn't get my head around the dovetail joint for the neck, and I hadn't realised that there was a perfectly acceptable alternative of just a tenon and bolt-on neck. And just seeing the videos and watching the videos, you make it seem so, it's not that you make it look easy, you just make it look really achievable.
Doable, yeah.
Yeah, and it's just seeing somebody do it in real life. You kind of watch it and think, well, actually I can do that, rather than, how am I going to do that? You know, so no, it was a massive, massive help. And I think I signed up at the end of December, and I strung my first guitar on the 11th of March. So without access to those videos, there's no way that I'd have done it within that time scale.
Wow.
No, so
well,
thank you very, very much.
Works.
It does, it's brilliant.
Because when I started doing it, I wasn't sure how successful it was going to be with people at home. But it was always a dream of mine. This is like a dream I had of being in the future where I could beam myself into somebody's shed and show them how to do it. Yeah. But now we're here, we can actually do it with the internet. But it is still, I'm always amazed to see what folks are turning out using with a little bit of help from me, what you've actually managed to achieve. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stop the cameras and then we'll restart them, and I'm going to show you some of the guitars that Darren's made.
Lovely.